Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on your VIVO V40 Pro phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to our home screen, and then we're going to hold on an empty space to open up this menu right here, where you can change the wallpapers from. So on the bottom left, you will see the wallpapers option, so click on that. And here you can either select one of the wallpapers that came with the phone, or you can click on the three dots on the right of this slider to either select a theme, or you can select your own image by clicking on local images. And here you can select from the photos or the albums that you have on your phone. So I'm going to select a photo, you can crop it, and then click on the check mark to apply it. So now if I return, you can see that the wallpaper has been applied. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.